దీపాల సమస్యలను వీధి దీపాల సమస్యలను వీధి దీపాల సమస్యలను గుంతలపడ్డ రోడ్లను
స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా కాకా
గుంతలపడ్డ రోడ్లను మాన్సూన్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ టీంలను
స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా వస్తుంది
వెంటనే మాన్సూన్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ టీంలను వెంటనే నగరంలో పేరుకుపోయిన సమస్యలను వెంటనే నగరంలో పేరుకుపోయిన సమస్యలను వెంటనే నగరంలో పేరుకుపోయిన సమస్యలను వెంటనే నగరంలో పేరుకుపోయిన సమస్యలను వెంటనే వీధి దీపాల సమస్యలను స్ట్రీట్ లైట్ 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 సమస్యలను రోడ్లపై పడ్డ గుంతలను రోడ్లపై పడ్డ గుంతలను రోడ్లపై పడ్డ గుంతలను భారత్ మాతా
విశ్వనగరమా అంధకారమా విశ్వనగరమా అంధకారమా విశ్వనగరమా అంధకారమా భాగ్యనగరంలో రోడ్లన్నీ గుంతలమయం జనం గుండెల్లో భయం భయం భాగ్యనగరంలో రోడ్లన్నీ గుంతలమయం గుండెల్లో భయం భాగ్యనగరంలో రోడ్లన్నీ గుంతలమయం
గుండెల్లో విద్యుత్ దీపాల సమస్యలను వెంటనే మాన్సూన్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ టీంలను వెంటనే విద్యుత్ దీపాల సమస్యలను వెంటనే So we the corporators of BJP JHMC area are protesting today with the street light lamps actually. As you can clearly see, the Raising Telangana in 2025 going back to the olden days where we used to carry our lamps like this on the road to go carry ourselves safely. And today in this regime, the mayor has completely failed to administer the proper lightning of the street lights. Also the pothole filling in the main roads. The public or whenever a small rainfall comes actually we can clearly see the road potholes appear on the road and people who are driving or either four-wheeler or two-wheeler or in fact walking also actually are falling into these potholes, causing threat to their life. They're causing injury to their hands or legs or somewhere basically. So the people of Telangana, the Bhagyanagar Prajal especially, are today facing so many problems, especially the small problems like street lights and the pothole fillings are not being cleared by this administration. And mayor, the GHMC mayor Gadbal Vijayalakshmi has completely failed to solve the small problems like this in this city in 2025 Raising Telangana. So we are going back to the olden days in this Congress regime. We just wanted to expose this and bring this to the people so that like people will teach them a good lesson in the coming election. So that is where we wanted to actually protest our agony towards the problems which people are facing in this form.
अभी जो नगर पालिका है हैदराबाद भाग्यनगर का जो भी चल रहा है, इधर जो भाग्यनगर बोल के उसको डल्लास बनाएंगे बोल के एक सीएम पुराना सीएम बोला, अभी जो नया सीएम आया वो राइजिंग हैदराबाद बोल के बोल रहे. लेकिन जो भी कार्यक्रम कर रहे बेसिक एम्यूनिटीज़, वी आर नॉट एबल टू गिव द बेसिक एम्यूनिटीज़ फॉर द पब्लिक वेयर दे आर स्पेंडिंग देयर हार्ड अर्न मनी टू द GHMC on regarding the taxes, and the roads what are existing has no a proper system in this, and the administration failure was with both the governments, and both the governments are same, and as if they are doing something unique, they are pretending. So we are sorry for the Telangana and Hyderabad public. We are saying sorry. I myself say sorry to the Bhagyanagar Prajalki, to the publics, because we came as a corporator and we ensured that Maulika Sadupayalu means basic amenities we can give them, we thought, but that is not happening in this government and the previous government also. And now the public itself will come out and they say the answer and they give the permanent solution for these governments. Definitely they are going to face for tomorrow. Jai Bharat.
Namaste everybody. Today Hyderabad is number one. They are saying Hyderabad is number one, but Hyderabad is number one in non-glowing of street lights. The city which supplies the missiles to the Operation Sindoor is fighting for the street lights today. Today, in every aspect, GHMC has failed. This mayor has changed her party, but there is no development in the city. With the support of the MIM and BRS, this mayor is doing very blunder mistake. There are many people are facing many issues in the city, but there is no address to these issues. The BJP is fighting from the last 4 years, but there is no proper answer from the mayor. BJP corporators are today we are going to question the mayor strictly. We will fight for the people's issues. We will with the people issue with the people.
వీధి దీపాల సమస్యలను